Alrighty. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today and welcome to our Q4 Product Roundup webinar. I'm very thrilled to have you with us as we reflect on 2024, dive into the highlights of what we've done in Q4, and also take a look at what's ahead for us in 2025. Now, let's get started. I'm Rene, your host for today's webinar, and joining me is my colleague Mike, who will be handling the Q&A section. If you have any questions throughout the webinar, please feel free to send them in. Before we begin, just a quick note, this webinar is being recorded, so you'll receive the copy of the recording afterwards. So just sit back and relax, and there's no need to worry about taking notes at the moment. Now let's just dive into the agenda for today's webinar. We'll do a quick recap as to what we have released in 2024. We'll share all of the features we've launched in Q4, such as TikTok interactions, custom fields, and more. We'll then end the webinar with what's on the roadmap for us in 2025. 2024 has been a great year at Loomly. We've done some major updates and glow up to our website. If you remember, our website and logo used to look like this on the left side, and now it looks like this. In addition to that, we've also shortened our post builder steps from 6 steps to 2 steps, packed with everything that you need to make your content creation process a breeze. For our Canva fans, you won't forget about Canva integration. The process of exporting Canva designs into Loomly's post builder and library have gotten so much more easier. And can we all agree that we have saved so much time as well when creating content? Now let's talk about LinkedIn. We've given LinkedIn quite a huge revamp as well. We've added LinkedIn PDF scheduling so you can create and schedule carousel posts, first comment scheduling to help boost your post visibility, and also post for community engagement and also market research. Speaking of polls, we can't forget about X or Twitter polls as well. For Instagram, you can now upload your custom reel cover to ensure your grids look aesthetic and also match with your brands at all times. Last but not least, we've added a new social channel to our family, Threads. You can now publish basic text-only posts as well as attach images, videos, and even create carousel posts to Threads to build a community. Now, these are only a few launches we've made in 2024. For more, please be sure to check out our blog to see what happened in this last year. Let's dive into what happened in the last 3 months, specifically in Q4. While you were preparing for the holidays, the Loomly team has been working really hard to push even more features for you all to ensure you ended the year strong and also kick off 2025 with powerful features right at your fingertips. First up, we've introduced TikTok interactions. You can now respond to TikTok comments without ever leaving Loomly. With TikTok comments, you can, you can like, reply, hide, and even delete your own comments. Plus, to speed up your response time, you can always use save replies for commonly asked questions, which can be accessed on the left side of the reply button. You can easily insert your current save replies or create new one as well. Next up is support post copy versions for easy collaboration. Now, what does this mean? You know the moment when you're trying to revert an older version of a copy, but you just can't seem to find it? Well, you can now find old post copy versions in Post View. By leveraging other collaboration features, such as private comments, tagging users, and more, you can seamlessly collaborate with your team or clients without a headache. Let me show you what I mean. Start by clicking into a post that you have already created, and you'll be redirected to Post View. Scroll down until you find previous copy versions. Now, this will only appear when you have made an edit to your post. Let's just say, in this case, as you can see, I've made multiple edits in this post, and let's just say I would like to revert this specific copy right here. As you can see, you can find the before copy and the after copy. Let's say I would like to revert this specific copy, and I'll just copy this and then click close. I'll scroll back up and then click edit, where this will redirect you back to our post builder. In the post builder, you can then paste the before copy in here and then click update post where you'll be redirected back to the post view. From here, you can see in the end-to-end history, you can see the different the different versions that it has been updated to. And additionally, you can also use the private comment section to tag other users to let them know what part of the post has been updated. Now, speaking of post builder and building posts, there's no better way to introduce custom fields. Custom fields are content placeholders that allow you to create posts with customized details such as phone numbers, addresses, websites, names, and more without having to manually add them each time. To create a custom field, head to your account settings and then click custom field and then click create new custom field. Give your custom field a name. In this case, I'll just give I'll just name my custom field cats. And then you can select the calendars you would like to add this custom field to. In this case, I'll just select the webinar calendar and maybe the team calendar. You can then enter the value of this custom field for each calendar. For example, for webinar calendar, I'll just do happy cats. And then for team, I'll just do sleepy cats. Once I'm done, I'll just click Save Changes, then I'm all set. Next up is calendar groups. Calendar groups allow you to organize and easily clone posts across multiple calendars. Now to create calendar group, same here in your calendar settings, click calendar group, and then give your calendar group a name. Let's just say in this example, I'll just do kitten team. And then you can add in the calendars you would like to be included in this group. I'll just add maybe the rest of the calendars that I have that's not in a group at the moment. Then click create calendar group. You can sort your calendars based on client, team, brand, however you like to keep them organized. So think of them like Google Drive folders. Now with custom fields and calendar groups, you can actually turn one post into multiple in just a few seconds. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you have created a post like I did in Post Builder and you have used a specific custom field. You can duplicate the same post across different calendars or calendar groups. Just simply click Clone Post to other calendars and then select the calendars you would like to include. So as you can see, I've created Kitten Team calendar group earlier. I'll just click Kitten Team calendar group, click Select Calendars, and as you can see, I've already cloned this post to 4 different calendars as shown right here and in the footer as well. The custom field will then automatically populate the value you have entered for each calendar. Next up, we have post publish notifications. Posts that receive immediate engagement after publishing see a 20 to 50% boost in overall engagement compared to those with delayed engagement. So with our updated post publish notifications, you can get instant notifications when a post has been published successfully. So you can notify your teammates to interact for boosted engagement. To modify your notification settings, head to your account settings, click notifications, find the calendar that you'd like to adjust your notifications for. Let's just say I'll just do Loomly cat meow calendar. Scroll down until you find post has published successfully. From here, you can choose your notification cadence and method in this dropdown. Let's just say I would like to receive instant notifications, so I'll select as it happens. However, you can also choose between hourly digest, daily digest, or weekly digest. From here, you can also choose how you like to receive these notifications. In this case, I would like to receive mobile push notification and also a Slack message as well. Now we have been in account settings for quite some time. Let's head back to the post builder to see what's new there. Continuing with our first comment train, we have added Facebook first comment scheduling. So on top of LinkedIn and Instagram, you can also schedule Facebook first comments with your post to boost its visibility. To schedule one, simply launch Post Builder like you would normally would, and then fill in all the generic information and obviously select Facebook. Once you're done, click Next to move forward to the fine-tune content panel. From here, you can see a box that says add a first comment. You can use this box to type in additional context to help support your post. For example, you can add an external link to drive traffic. So blog posts, landing pages, reports are often commonly added. However, the key to use the first comment is to ensure you notify your readers that you have added a first comment. So a simple phrase like check out the comments below for more, or like what I've done here, read the blog in the read the blog post in the comments below to learn more will be enough to drive eyes to your comment section. Now that's all we have released in Q4, and we hope you find these features useful as you kick off 2025. Now, here's the most exciting part. What's ahead at Loomly in 2025? We've heard your feedback and are already working on additional features, improvements, and more to ensure your day-to-day is as smooth as possible. Although we cannot share too much at the moment, here are what you can expect. We'll be adding more channel and workflow integrations. Now, integrations have been one of the most requested needs, and we cannot wait to give you more flexibility in that area in the upcoming months. We'll also be making some updates to social channel specific features and capabilities. So we're working really hard to ensure we're being on trend and also staying on top of all of our supported social channel updates. Now that wraps up today's webinar on our yearly roundup. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have a specific feature you'd like to see in Loomly, please feel free to reach out to us at contact@loomly.com or fill out a feature request form. Thank you so much for your continued support in 2024, and we cannot wait to see what 2025 has in store for all of us. Thank you again, and on the behalf of the Loomly team, I wish everyone a happy new year, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you so much. Bye.